In this lesson, we're going to learn how to import files from Decentraland GitHub into Blender. First thing we need to do is load Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, find Add-ons, go to the search box, type GL, enable import and export of GLTF. Close this dialog box, go to File, go to Import GLTF, find the file, click on it, import. We have one imported model. To download a number of other wearable assets, we need to go to github.com/Decentraland. Find the search box down here and type in avatar, and we'll come up with avatar assets. Click on that, go to assets, base avatar. Here you'll find a number of wearables and all sorts of things to download. Have a look at them. Go to feet, and there's a whole heap of shoes, sandals, slippers, all sorts of things in here. We're going to download sneakers at the bottom here. We only need to download the GLB file. Click on that, click on download. Once that file is downloaded, we can go back to Blender, go to File, Import GLTF, find our sneaker file, which is here, import, and there we have our sneakers imported.